Hey guys, just wanted to put together a quick video. This video is an instructional video of how to use the MagicDragonMaker arm wrestling handle. So first, as you can see, it will fit onto a standard arm wrestling bar. This happens to be an arm sport bar. Love this bar. And with that, you can stick your thumb through the hole. You get the feel of gripping up as you would with an opponent. Attach your carabiner to whatever system you have or bands, and this will give you a nice resistance. Whatever weight you want to put on there, you can do wrist curls. You can sit it on your bar, and you can get side pressure out of that. And let me explain what the different slots are for. Really low weight on here so I can demonstrate. So right now I have the strap, and the straps do come, you get one strap per left or right handle, and I have the strap fed through the bottom and the top. I'm going to stick my hand through here, and also when I do it this way I can adjust this D-ring so that it is set high, so as I'm getting my resistance I can get some pronation in. If I want to take a minute and readjust the strap so that the D-ring sets lower like that, now as I give my resistance I'm going to get some supination. So it's depending on what area you want to work. Right now I've got pressure really low on my wrist, really good if I want to use that. Let me switch it up for you and show a couple of the other ways that you can use this. These just pop right off like that. This top one is pronate. So now I have the band only going through the top part. Set it up like this on the outside, and this is high top roll. All the pressure is going to the top as I'm getting it right. All right. Now, if I want to take the strap and move it to the front part. So if I'm holding my hand through right where the thumb is, the front slot there, bear with me here. Okay. Fed it through wrong. Sorry about that. I got the D-ring on the wrong side. Just flip that around. You definitely want the D-ring on the outside of the strap, not on the inside of the strap. So again, right now, it's set up in the slot that is right in the front of my thumb. And what I'm going to do with that, I'm going to connect it. And now I'm going to work on my riser. It's kind of a poor example because I have my pulley set up high, but I just want you to get the idea of the versatility of the handles. So if you can see, it's right on the slot that my thumb goes through, and I'm working my riser. All right. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to work on a couple of these other slots. And a couple of these other slots, if you don't happen to have an arm wrestling bar, there's a slot here on the side. And that slot, sorry, feed that through here. Again, if you don't have an arm wrestling bar and you want to get some wrist curls in, that slot, again, it's back here on the side. We're going to hook up to our carabiner. And now I can get that same cupping. Now, the strap provides a little different resistance in the arm wrestling bar. The arm wrestling bar distributes the force all the way through the center of the bar. The strap, you can actually, move the strap to the lower part. So you're working your bottom fingers, the bottom side of your wrist. And if you want, you can just move the strap to the top part. And you have some versatility there. And the other thing I like about the strap is when you're arm wrestling, you're not arm wrestling something that is the weight is distributed or the force is distributed all the way through the center of your wrist. Depending on your opponent, you may have that bottom pressure, or depending on your style, you may need that bottom pressure, or you may need that top pressure. So the strap, not only do you have to control your wrist here, but you also have to have some control there. So good wrist strengthener there. All right. There are a couple other pronating slots just to give variety. So we went through this first one already. That's the high top roll. I'm gonna show you, this is my favorite for me. And what I like to do here is I like to pull it through that same top one and then feed it back through this one that's the opposite of the riser. All right, connect that through here. And now I'm going from a high top roll to more of a center, I guess, top roll. So not sure if you can kind of see the difference here. So the first one goes straight out this way, which gives a really high top roll. This lets you curve in a little, right? I can't really explain that a little bit, but if you're a puller, you will kind of understand. This will let you pull in a little bit and get more like what, when I top roll, I'm kind of got my curl in a little bit and pulling. So I guess it's more of an inside top roll. I don't know what the terminology would be, but it gives you a little bit of variety, versatility in terms of how, what area of your wrist you want to strengthen. The last one, I'm gonna pull this off real quick. The last one is straight from the back, the slot that is opposite of the riser. And again, I fed this one back through, so I went through this very front one and then back through this side one. Now I'm going to just put it on this side one. Same thing. And this is going to be all inside. All right. So as I pull my thumb through, it's the slot that is opposite the riser. So now, let's see here. Get you up here. Now my wrist is going forward. You can see I got to push down. I'm not pulling out, traditional top roll. So this is more a deeper hook. I like to capsule with a deeper hook. So you get that. I'm not sure what that motion is called, but just to show you all the different things that you can use the Magic Dragon Maker arm wrestling handle for.